Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn about how to work with the aggregation functions in SQL and in DAX. So let's write one query. Select asterisk from dim product category. We need to execute. And here you can see we have different product categories. We need to count the number of subcategories for each relevant product category. So for this, I need to create a inner join. So we have to use alias like city for the category and inner join dim product subcategory. It is SP. So then we need to specify one column, city dot product category key is equal to SP product subcategory key. So then we need to specify one column, city dot product category name and SP dot English subcategory. Here we have to specify like the subcategory key, and now we need to make we have to define new column like total subcategories is equal to count. And now we have to use group by. Need to execute. So here's the category name is invalid in this text because then we have to write here city dot French category, but we need here English category name. English product category name, and the same here English product category name. We need to execute, and here you can see we are getting accessories, buys, clothing, components, and the relevant underlying total subcategories, and we need to get the same result in DAX. So let's go to the DAX Studio, and here I had already executed dim product category table, and it is showing us these columns in this table. So here we have to use summarize. The table name will be product category. The second column will be name product category, the English product category name, and then I need total subcategories, and here I have to use count row, and the table name is dim product subcategory. So here we have to provide one table, the complete table, and close it. That's all, and then we have to click run. So here you can see we have bikes, 3 bikes, and here you can see 3 bikes and clothing components. So we are getting the same result. So this is how we can, if we need to join multiple tables and we need to use group by, so this is one option that you can use, summarize and the underlying aggregation function.